Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the chapter number 6 is a major land reforms of the land forms of the earth. So these landforms are the result of the two process on the ground that's slow moving. The first is the internal process that leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface in the several places. There is a upliftment and the sinking of the earth's surface on the several places. And apart from that, like the second process is the continuous wearing down and the rebuilding of the land surface. Like continuously rebuilding of the land surfaces. The wearing away of the earth surface is called land erosion. The surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and the rebuilt by the process of deposition. So erosion is the process by this the surface is lowered and the rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are carried out by running the water, ice and the wind. Broadly, we can group the different land reforms depending on the elevations and the slope, as the mountains, plateaus and the plains, etc. So mountain. A mountain is the natural elevation of the earth's surface. The mountain may have a small summit and a broad base. And the glacier, in the some mountain there are the permanent frozen rivers of the ice that are called glaciers. Mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. Many mountain systems consist of a series of parallel ranges extended over the hundreds of kilometers. There are the three type of mountains: cold mountain, block mountain, or volcanic mountain. Himalaya mountains and the are the young folded mountain with the rugged relief and the high conical peaks. Aravalli Range in the India is the one of the oldest mountain system in the world. This is good here. This is good. The Appalachians in the North America and the Ural Mountains in the Russia have rounded features and long elevation. Mountain are created when the large areas are broken and displaced vertically. Uplifted blocks are termed as fortress and the lowered blocks are called graben. Rhine Valley and the Ural Mountains. Volcanic mountains are formed due to the volcanic activity. Met Kilimanjaro in Africa and the mountain Fujiyama in Japan are the example of such volcanic mountains. Mountains are very useful. Mountains are the storehouse of water. Many rivers have their sources in the glaciers of the mountain. Reservoirs are made of the water, and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigations and generations of hydroelectricity. River valleys and the terraces are the ideal for the cultivations of crops. Mountains have the rich varieties of flora and the forests provide the food, shelter, and the other products. Plateau. A plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. Plateau may have the one or more sides with the steep slopes. The height of the plateau often varies from the few hundred meters to the several thousand meters. Plateaus like mountain may be young or old. The Deccan Plateau in the India, one of the oldest plateaus, and the Eastern African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are the other examples. The Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. The plateaus are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposits. Many of the mining in the world are located in the plateau area. African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, whose reserves of the iron, coal, manganese are found in the Chotanpur Plateau. Plains are the last stretches of the land. They are generally not more than 2,000 meters above the sea level. Most of the plains are formed by the river and the tributaries. Rivers flow down the slope of mountains and erode them. So these are the examples. So this is the overall end of the chapter.